this video you'll learn how to use the latitude-longitude coordinate dig site type. Items to make note of when entering a dig site that is a latitude-longitude coordinate. This dig site type should only be used to identify a single point location, such as a pole or a single address home in a new development. The county, street address, place, and locate description are required fields. The latitude-longitude coordinate does not take place of a valid locate description. Now, let's enter this dig site type. Select latitude-longitude coordinate. Enter the county name where the dig site is located and select the proper name from the drop-down. Enter the coordinate as either decimal or degrees minutes seconds. Enter the street and/or address. As you type, options will appear. Make sure the correct place is included and select the option from the drop-down using your mouse. Enter the nearest intersecting street. A drop-down menu shows you all intersecting streets. Select the appropriate near street. If the street name does not result in a drop-down list of intersecting streets, then you will need to enter it manually. The area shown in blue is the latitude-longitude coordinate. It determines the utilities to be notified and has an automatic 200-foot safety buffer. Enter a detailed locate description. Remember, referring to only the latitude-longitude coordinate is not sufficient enough for where you are digging.